Taking a nap? Taking a nap? Got another batch of peppers in the smoker. See how they're coming along. Jalapenos and habaneros. Yeah, this is hopefully the last batch I gotta do. I'm actually working on finishing a hot sauce project I started 13 years ago. There'll be more about that here later in a few days, but you're gonna be pretty shocked at what I'm doing. It's quite the experiment. All right, on to other things. Got a fridge here, got it off the curb, sort of. It's a crystal cooler. Here's outside a gas station. Guy said it was broken, told me I could have it. I've already replaced the PTC, which is a fancy word for a capacitor, but it appears it needs a little bit of Freon, so got some Freon. Got me a new one of these doohickeys. I don't know what happened to the other one I have. Got a piercing valve. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing chilling very soon. Hey folks, got me a portable air tank. $10 at the thrift store. Came with a hose. Came with a junk fitting on the end of the hose, and I'm gonna convert it to where it's still a portable air tank, but I can use it as an extension of my pancake compressor as just a extra tank that holds more air for more volume. So got a few fittings, and I'm gonna kind of throw them together here. Alright, I got a bunch of this, well, most of this Mantis tiller broken down so far. This is where I'm at. I had a little bit more to take apart here, and that carburetor, that thing needs more than love, I can tell you that right now. That primer bulb is as hard as a rock, and I can't get the shaft out the way you're supposed to, so I'm not going to push it. I'm probably just going to clean it the way it is in the parts washer and then repack with grease, but that's where that is right now. Getting ready to jump into the toaster and trying to figure out what I need to do there. But before I do that, these are going into the evaporust. First I'm going to bend these tines back to approximately where they're supposed to be. Then into a bucket of evaporust they go, clean them up. Yeah, making progress. Got my extension tank done. Make sure out there I still got a place to hook the tool up. Now I got about 12 gallons of compressed air. I'm gonna come back though and replace these hose clamps. Can't believe I paid $3 for something that doesn't hold. You can hear this one's kind of leaking a little bit. I got a solution for that that's gonna be permanent. It'll actually look better than these hose clamps. I'll do that a little bit later today. But right now I'm working on a couple other videos. Yeah, I'll show you some progress as time goes by. But that's going to be all one video, and so is this toaster.